there goes. Oh, I'm in the range. They've got a few new stuff, which I'll show you. Lots of people around, so I'll see how much I can video. Oh, these mirror trays, a bit small. I do like them. Got some lanterns here. But guys, I'm really feeling this lantern here. It's for $14.99. Black with that gold
Can I get this for what instead?
trim. It's quite big lanterns. Might get that. Really liking them black and white flower pots. $12.99. This is them up close, guys. It's really nice. Look at these marble candles. Hey guys, So I just did a quick walkthrough of the range. I needed to bring some stuff back, so I thought I'd take you along with me. There's a lot of people there, so I wasn't able to kind of capture you know, the whole store without kind of, you know, getting in people's way. But if you haven't been to the range, I suggest you check it out. They are available online as well, so that's a good thing. Unlike B&M, where you can't order online, with the range you can. But I do like to just walk around the store. They've got a garden section, you know, they've got from camping gear, they've got paint, they've got furniture, they've got whole home furnishings, you know, they've just got everything for the home, and lots of other things as well, things for your pet, and you know, lighting, everything really. And I think they have a range of stuff that suits every style, so go to the range regardless of your style. So yeah, so check it out. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this clip, and I'll try and do more stuff like this. I think one thing to note with the range though, they tend to hold their stock for very long, so you know, like you'll go there and you won't really see new stuff, or the new stuff gets lost amongst all the other stuff that you've seen over and over again. So that's just one thing to note, but overall I do love it.